Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 and let me show you how to check total screen time. First of all, enter the settings, then find and select digital balance right here and click on start unless you activated it previously. And right here you've got statistics, so as you can see, if you will go back here, you will have this panel, and here you've got some statistics. If you'll tap on it again, you can dig into it a bit more. Let me do it one more time. So here you can see unlocks, extensions, most used apps, and so on. So that's it. That's how you can detect time spent on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.